So let's look at this problem. Now this is problem very similar to the previous problem, except we have a print x here. So the previous problem we had was a print x below. Now we have a print x here and a print x here. Now how do we handle these two different situations? Okay, so let's go back and look at our cheat sheet to understand how to handle our loop. So first you need how to handle the conditional. So in the conditional, obviously when the conditional ends, you would go back to the loop, right? And you just type in print only, right? We're only printing. We're not doing anything else. Here, again, we print, right? And at the end of the loop, we would have to go back. See, always the end of the loop is going back. Okay, so again, print only. Okay, now here, okay, is we have a continue. So the continue again will go back here, and now we also have a print only here, right? So make sure you understand that there's no calculation, it's just printing. Okay, so now that we have this, right, so let's analyze the loop as we previously did. We make the same table as previous. Okay, go all the way through, and I'll put in, iteration, okay, y value, our x value, our print y value, our print x value, and our x counter value. Iteration is depending on that condition right there. So here depends on our iteration, how many times we go through. Okay, and then we just kind of draw lines as such. Here, 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 and then here. So this is how you set up the table. Okay. Now, once this table is set up, okay, so let's try to solve what we need to solve. Okay. So here we go through, right? And so we start with the first command, again, is here, right? Y is equal to 5. So you put in y is equal to 5. Okay. Now, we go to the next line. X is 0. Is 0 less than 10? Yes. So 0, enter the loop. Okay? Then what do? Is my y, which is 5, less than 9? Yes. So y is equal to y plus x. So this is y is equal to 5 plus 0, which is 5. Okay? And then what do? I print y, which is 5. Okay? And then I go back. Okay? So then I go back plus 1. X, 0 plus 1 is now 1. Is 1 less than 10? Right? Yes. So now, second iteration. Okay? I go through the iteration again. Is 5 less than 9? Is y is less than 9? Is 5 less than 9? The answer is yes. So 5 is less than 9. So 5, y is equal to y plus x. So y is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay? I print y 6. Again, I go back, counter 1. Okay? Now, 1 plus 1 is 2. Is 2 less than 10? Yes. So I enter the loop with 2. Okay? Now, at 2, okay, y is, so the value of y is y less than 9. Yes, 6 is less than 9. Since 6 is less than 9, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, now you print, obviously you're going to print 8, okay, and then you go plus 1. So, again, you do it again. So again, plus 1, okay. So now plus 1, x is 3, right? And is 3 less than 10? Yes, so I enter the loop with 3. Y is equal to y plus x. So y is 8 plus 3, which is 11. Then what do? I print 11, okay? And I add 8 plus 1 back to counter. So you follow the trail back to counter. Now, x counter is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. Is 4 less than 10? Yes, 4. Fifth iteration. Is y less than 9? Is 11 less than 9? Okay, the answer is no. So now this will get skipped and we go to else. And what do? I print x. You see that? Print only x. I print x. What's my value of x? 4. Okay? Then what do? I continue back up. Now, when I continue, understand that this is skipped completely. So I only continue here, I cannot go here. Continue prevents that, right? So I print x plus 1. And I do it again, right? So now I say, okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. Is 5 less than 10? Yes, 5 is less than 10. So now my iteration is 6. Okay? And the sixth iteration is, I come down, is 11 less than 9? Yes, no, 11 is not less than 9. So I go to else, I print, right? I print x, which is 5. Continue back and ignore that part, plus 1. Okay? And then we'll do one more time, but you'll see it's the same pattern. 5 plus 1 is 6. Is 6 less than 10? Yes. So I enter the loop again with 6. And now, what do? So at 6 is 11 less than 9? No, 11 is not less than 9. Okay, so I will skip here, and I will go to print x, which is 6. Then what do? I hit continue, and I go back. So the continue will allow me to go back, and obviously this is going to repeat itself. 8, 9, 10. This is obviously going to be 7, 8, 9, because this is not going to come back in the loop, and we'll print 7, 8, 9. And answer is plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay.